Hello friends, welcome to the Photoshop tips and tricks. Today I want to show you how to add lighting effects and actions in Adobe Photoshop. Let's start. Open the layer panel. Select the layer. Go to select, and choose subject. When it's selected, press Ctrl J to make a copy. Then go to the second image. Drag this image as background to the first image. Adjust the position, and drag down the layer. Then select this layer, click on Adjustments, and add Color Lookup. Then select the night effect from the list. And come back to Layer Panel. Select the layer mask, and press Ctrl I to invert the mask. Select the brush. Change the color to white. And set the opacity and flow to 100%. Increase the brush size. Right-click, and adjust the brush properties. Then click and drag like this. Select Move Tool, then select the layer, and add a new layer. Change the mode to Color Dodge. Right-click, and choose Blending Options. Now uncheck the Transparency Shape layer. And click OK. Select the brush. Decrease the opacity to 24%. Change the color to any color you want. Right-click, and rotate the brush direction. Then click twice. Increase the brush size, and click once more. Again change the brush direction. And increase the brush size, then click to apply like this. Now go to the third image. Then click and drag it to the first image. Press Ctrl T, and scale the size. Right-click, and choose Flip Vertical. Then adjust it according to the face. Drag to duplicate this layer. Press Ctrl T. Drag the anchor point here, right-click, and choose Flip Horizontal. Press Enter. Select this layer, and add a layer mask. Select the brush tool. Decrease the size. Then change the color to black. Increase the opacity to 100%. Zoom in here, and brush to remove unwanted areas. Select this layer, press Ctrl J to make a copy. Press Ctrl T to scale the size. And adjust the position here. Select the layer mask, and press Ctrl I to invert the mask. Select the brush. Change the color to white. And brush here. Select these three layers, and lower it under the color lookup layer. Right-click, and choose Create Clipping Mask. Then change the mode to Hard Light. Select this layer. Select the brush tool. Increase the size. And decrease the opacity to 12%. Then click to get better and clearer. And this is the final result. Hope you liked it. If you want to support, follow me on social media for more videos. Thanks for watching.